Hey guys, how's it going? We're here in Carnation, Washington for a Jeep show.
Hosted by Northwest Jeep Cast.
It's to donate towards Seattle Children's Hospital. We're super excited. We're gonna enter our Jeeps in the show, and then I got to do a little bit of racing, so I'm super excited to do that later on today, and it should be a good time. What are you doing?
I got to do a little bit of racing.
Oh my god!
You're fast,
really helped a lot of people. One of our sponsors be chilling, and the owner of that business is Charlie, and he donated a fire pit that's over here. Plasma cut fire pit. I might make sure that we get it out. Yeah, it's probably is it right out in front there?
I think we can find like a cigarette.
Piece of masking tape and a business card or something.
So have you ran yet?
We went out this morning and put around a little bit.
So is there like a method to the madness? I don't know. I got asked on Wednesday if I would race or do it.
Yeah, so there's a little course out there. Basically, did he send you the map?
No. So I got the link, but
So we can walk out, or you can. I guess we're probably gonna go first, so you can watch where we're going. You basically go one lap around. And then you go around again. And you cut in and you zigzag across. Okay, so it's like this. Okay. Yeah, and then you go around again. And across the rocks.
We're donating a bunch
I don't know if you guys do the rocks. And then you go around again.
I would like to do the rocks.
It's one little, it's 2 Jeep lengths.
Yeah.
Provided a whip right here, as well as one of the RTI ramps. 4-wheel park provided the other RTI ramp. Dave, home for
Oh boy. That doesn't sound like a stock engine. Street legal, right? Hey, he assures me he is street legal. Yeah.
That was good. I'm pretty sure I got something broke up front.
Dude, no, good job, man.
Hey, thanks,
That's
man.
out there. That was awesome.
Thank you.
I can't shake. He's right on my tail.
Really squatting hard.
He's always right there.
Yeah, thank
He's
you.
yelling the radio, Gary, where you going?
I don't know, that first series of
No idea.
whoopies when you went.
I got out there and I was like, oh, I guess this was a little too fast for that whoop.
I'm pretty sure I have like some pressure
jumping the rock garden.
What was the time?
206, so I was 1 second.
I think you're in the lead.
Yeah, that's the lead.
I thought he was 205. The
I
first
think
one.
it's 208.
Oh, really?
206 will be good.
I don't know, he's tall.
All right, John's ready. And oh, he took that turn.
Oh, buddy. Huh?
You didn't vote? You're supposed to vote for us.
Oh,
Get your ballot.
oh my gosh. It was sitting where yours is. Just write
Just because
whatever
you're a
you wrote.
racer now doesn't mean
I
that you
know.
can
Like
just-
he's like, oh, I'm going pro now, so.
I gotta go to a chiropractor.
Ultra foreplay. I like that. Ultra foreplay.
Ultra foreplay.
Yeah, that's what Drew
All right,
said.
guys. Well, that's it for today.
Yep. And so, how was the racing?
It was amazing. Like, I had an
Well, fun.
absolute blast. Thank you so much to Northwest Jeepcast.
For putting this on and all their sponsors. Primary sponsor was Northridge 4x4.
Yes, it was.
Pretty awesome.
There's a few other ones. Auburn Auto Repair was here.
Yukon Gear and Axle, Dirty Life Race Wheels. There was tons.
Yeah, tons of sponsors, but we had a lot of fun. And
What'd you win?
Huh?
What'd you win?
I ended up winning the class that we raced in, which I'm ecstatic about. Never done it before, so.
What else did you win?
I also won most abused in the car show portion of it.
So pretty exciting.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys later.